Greetings from Sandeep sir's Doon Defense Academy. This is a special podcast. I bring it for the information of our armed forces personnel from the paramilitary forces, veterans and ex-servicemen. While we all know that the demand of these services are taxing and we have to devote a lot of time and energy to meet the demands of our duty in the defense of this country, one concern still remains as to how we take care of the education, the grooming and preparation for the competitive exams of our children, which are of high energy and correct values, but they need certain gaps to be filled up before they get prepared for the life to compete in this competitive world at the same pace and rate at which the world is moving. So at Sandeep sir's Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun, we bring in foundation courses for class 9th and 10th, 11th and 12th, where the children can join either at class 9th and continue till 12th or join in class 11th and continue till 12th. The highlight of this foundation program is that they will be carrying out regular schooling, acquiring the advantages of normal schooling, that too from a very prestigious school famous in Dehradun, and you will find its credentials all over the social media sites. Along with that, we also indulge these kids into side-by-side preparation for competitive exams, primarily for National Defense Academy and Merchant Navy, DAC officers and engineering officers. In addition, over and above to that, also prepare for JEE, Joint Entrance Exam for Engineering, which is the topmost prestigious exam for any engineering graduate to aspire for. So it is given in a combination of NDA plus JEE / Merchant Navy for JEE. In addition, those who are desirous, certain extra programs are also provided, like for commercial pilot license, preparing for the written exam as well as for interview, and for the NEET exam as well. Those who are desirous to take their career aspirations into these directions. Now, why we are carrying out this special program for our veterans, ex-servicemen and the armed forces personnel is that here is a place which is home away from home, taking care of all your concerns about your children in case academically or to prepare for any career or for a better grooming and graceful social stature. They need a structured program to be gone through. Then we provide it here. That means once they join us, it will be similar to the training pattern of Sainik schools, military schools, RMS and RIMC Dehradun, or maybe a notch higher than that. Children will be groomed in academic excellence for their board exams in 10th and 12th. And in addition, they'll also be groomed for competitive exams as part of this foundation course. The third thing that they'll be doing here is they'll be groomed in the skills of various sports of their choice, and as well as the life skills, which include soft skills as well as hard skills, and prepare them for a life which they aspire for, and slowly guide them and mentor them by hand-holding experiences into the careers of their choice, starting with their most passionate career which they aspire for is National Defense Academy, Kadapasla. Now, those candidates who put in a lot of effort for 2 years or 4 years at Doon Defense Academy not only get prepared for defense services examination or other competitive examinations, they ultimately get prepared for life. And we have our alumni in various walks of life. Our credentials of sending 14,000 plus selections into the armed forces in last 21 years of our existence stands testimony to the kind of infrastructure, kind of standards of faculty, kind of standards of personal touch that we give to the grooming of children speaks a lot. And you can have a comparative consideration of our data with many other similar institutions in the country while going through our website and social media platforms. We are available almost everywhere. And likewise, similar institutions are available for comparison with us. Thereafter, you can take a considered decision whether that kind of grooming environment can be considered at Doon Defense Academy by you, so that one of your major concerns of grooming and academic excellence of your children can be taken care of. The most special thing of this podcast is that we wish to remind our brother in arms that once you visit this campus, you will feel the vibrancy and you will get the first-hand information as to this place suits your kid to groom up or not. Also, we come up with a lot of discount in our fees and scholarships, depending. The basic one is because they are children of the armed forces personnel, that basic discount is available. Besides that, other discounts are available on the meritorious students' talent in the academic excellence, academic field, as well as other extracurricular talents that he has in the sports or in any other art and craft activities. So once you come on the campus and you get in touch with the counseling staff, you will get to know these small things which are available as a help to our brother in arms in the armed forces. So I'll conclude this talk with a way that in case you have any such concern about your children, about their education, because you are not able to devote that much of time because of your duties, you can consider Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy as one-stop preparation point for all your educational, personality and grooming needs of your children. I can assure you, it will be one of the best campuses that you would have ever visited with us at Dehradun. Dehradun, as it is famous and a very pleasant city with a pleasant weather, and the kind of activities that we run here with a lot of guest faculties and extracurricular activities in the terms of adventure sports, adventure visits, educational tours will ultimately groom these children into a kind of a person that we wish and desire our children to be. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.